Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and then we'll end with Toncoin and number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Okay, so Bitcoin is still dropping lower. We are anticipating Bitcoin to drop to the 64,000 level. All right, we're about $2,000 away. So another dip before potentially reversing back up. You can actually pull a resistance line across. So yeah, we're still dropping lower though. If you were to go to the weekly, right, you will see that last week we closed with a bearish engulfing. So it means that we could be dropping lower. I kid you not, we're expecting 64k, but there's a likelihood that we may drop lower to sweep all of these clusters of cells first before reversing back up. Again, as long as we are above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for BTC. Ethereum against BTC. So for Ethereum against BTC, we are gaining strength. However, we're still under the skinny pink line. We may consolidate a little bit longer first before heading higher. I still don't see any clear signs of a bullish rally yet. The trend is still bearish in my opinion, as long as we are under the skinny pink line. So the moment we break the skinny pink line, we stay above it, continue higher, right? Then this will be the confirmation. We need to see a clean break first, a consolidation, and then, yeah, another rally, another leg towards the upside. So we're anticipating a break to happen next. So, the question you might ask is, so is this the low? Again, we're not sure. Could we still go lower? Yes, this could be an ABC. Sure, of course. But yeah, as it stands, we will be waiting for more information as time goes by. ETH against USD. So the previous video we were saying very likely we'll take out the clusters of cells over here. Then we did take out the clusters of cell. And right now we're here. Any clear signs of the falling channel we broke out. We are still in. Wait, you broke. We're still within the confines of the consolidation, right? This will be the resistance line, this will be the support line, and we are fluctuating up and down in these areas. So yeah, again, the question you might ask is this the very low? Again, we're not sure. We're not sure. How do we look like on a weekly? Oh, this is a hammer, boys and girls. So a hammer is a bullish reversal chart pattern, right? But this is a red hammer. So we might still clear the lows over here before a reversal comes in. But do know that, the moment you start seeing long wicks, right? Long wicks. This means that buying is already happening. The whales are already buying up Ethereum at these prices. So again, long wicks here. Even if you were to drop, right, I suspect we'll either get a green candlestick or we'll also start getting hammers as well. Hammer-like candlesticks, I would say. So again, I think Ethereum is going to continue higher. Of course, the expectation is 10k, right? 9.3k actually. But again, we will cross that bridge when the time comes. Ethereum is still above the skinny pink line. So as long as it's above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias. We're expecting a potential wave C though, right? If this whole thing is an A, up, we complete a B, down, a C, D, E. This could be a high quality textbook perfect type of a chart pattern, but we're still not sure yet. So we might still get a cup and handle over here and blast off. So we just need more information first before making any decisions for Ethereum. But for sure, we are still in a bullish trend. BNB against BTC. We are, okay, so the thing that we were expecting Ethereum to do, right, is something like what BNB has done. Break above the skinny pink line, consolidate, and just keep rallying higher, right? We want to see consolidation above the skinny pink line, and we want to see the price continue moving in an upwards trend above the skinny pink line, right? This means that Binance is gaining strength against Bitcoin, which means that your money is better to be put in Binance rather than in Bitcoin because it is gaining strength against Bitcoin, right? So yeah, again, once we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias. Sure, we're aware that this could turn into a mountain range or head and shoulders maybe towards the downside, but we're above the skinny pink line. So we still remain with our bullish bias for BNB BTC. Against USD, we are okay. So against USD, we were anticipating the possibility of a left shoulder, a big hit, right shoulder, super breakout, but we didn't. This was what you call a bull trap. All right. So if you are a support line, resistance line trader, you will be trapped. So that's why you must go in before the breaks happen. And once the break happens, and if we see a U-turn, yeah, we get out. But anyway, the point is, we are already back down towards the symmetrical or ascending, right? It's two chart patterns actually. But the point is, we're already back down. So this is no longer becoming what we are anticipating for BNB against USDT in terms of its inverse head and shoulders chart pattern. But we still have our targets. We're still loyal to our targets. We still think that we will be heading towards 1,002 and then 1,005. We are still clearly above the skinny pink line. And BNB is both bullish on the USD and BTC. Ethereum is only bullish on the USD, still bearish on the BTC, which means that potentially you can do something like this, right? BNB USDT, take Binance divided by ETH USDT, right? Just to see if BNB is stronger than Ethereum. So as it stands, yes, it is. And you can see that this is potentially, again, an inverse head and shoulders competing for BNB against Ethereum, which means that BNB could be gaining strength against Ethereum. You see that? So you want to be in the fastest horse towards the upside. So yeah, again, I still would anticipate more upside. We're still clearly above the skinny pink line. So more upside is to be expected for BNB. And it should be faster than Ethereum. I mean, as it stands, right, things can always change, right? We could, of course, form bearish chart patterns, but as it stands, we're expecting BNB strength all around, right? It's dropping because BNB dropped. But even if you were to drop any lower, I would still anticipate us to reverse and rally back up eventually. Solana, Sol against BTC. Here we have a Sol. Sol is still above the skinny pink line. Sol can still go higher, but at this point of time, it can go both ways because every time we rally, we get pulled down. Rally, we get pulled down. Rally, see, we're getting pulled down. But of course, if you look at this with bullish lenses, you will be able to see that this is also a symmetrical. And of course, we could still continue higher for Sol against BTC. But at the same time, I don't know if you're going to be breaking the highs over here, right? I would, to be honest, prefer Solana to come back down, right? Maybe we rally a little bit, right? Final wave up, and we come back down for a wave C. This will be much, much better, right? Have a proper big accumulation. Then by the time the next cycle rolls around, yeah, Solana could be going power. But as it stands, yeah, I preach caution for Sol BTC, Sol USD. Here we are for Sol USD. Yeah, still above the skinny pink line. So again, it can still go both ways, right? This could be a symmetrical, and we break higher, right? If BTC continues higher, right, towards the target that we have, which is 90K, very likely Solana is going to go into price discovery. Very likely. But as it stands, we are very close to the all-time high. And this could also, again, turn bearish as well, right? You could still get something like a descending, right? It will probably look like a symmetrical, but it's more likely than not a potential bearish chart pattern as well. But again, we're still not entirely sure though. We're still above the skinny pink line, sure. We're still, staying with a bullish bias, but we are aware that things could still, head lower for Solana. So it's just that there's just not enough information at this point of time. So yeah, it does look like it's curving though. So again, I'm not entirely sure. So we're gonna move on to XRP. And your bread. Okay, XRP is not looking good. So again, your weekly reminder: left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Sure, we are right at the giant support. So there could be a strong rally coming on for XRP against BTC, right? But I would expect us not to go past this resistance. This was a support which broke. So we could still rally though. This could be like a 100% rally against BTC, right? But yeah, I don't have a good feeling about XRP. It's not looking too good to me. Against BTC, it's just XRP is no go. XRP is on its way out of the top 10. XRP against USD looks really bearish to me. This is really bearish. Left shoulder, head looks like a right shoulder, right? I feel that this right shoulder could be in the shape of a descending. So yeah, but if XRP rallies against BTC, then very likely you're gonna see the USD pair rise as well. But yeah, I have a very bearish feeling about this. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Right. Of course, if you put on bullish lenses, you may call this a falling channel or falling wedge, and sure, we could break higher. But as it stands, yeah, XRP is a no-go. Dogecoin is always a go. So for Doge against BTC, okay, we are not, okay, it's not always a go. The point is that last week we identified a potential head and shoulders, and we were expecting maybe we could break this. Yeah, and now we've already broken it, and we're back under the skinny pink line. We broke the skinny pink line. We broke the support with a strong drop. So more downside is to be expected for Doge against BTC. Could we sweep the lows over here? Yeah, the noisy area is here. So probably towards this area, probably. So this could be 100. Right now at 200. Oh my god, this could be 50%. Doge against USD. Here we have a Dogecoin. Okay, we're still above the skinny pink line though. So Dogecoin could still continue higher. Doesn't look like a bearish reversal to me. Could we maybe sweep these lows here? We could sweep these lows and then continue higher. Of course. But yeah, as it stands, I still think that this is a bullish continuation towards the upside. We still have our 30 cents target and we're still expecting it to be hit. We're still loyal to our 30 cents target. Toncoin! Okay, Toncoin is the only coin that's really truly bearish. If you look at Toncoin against BTC, right, this looks to me like a symmetrical breakout. Now we are retesting the support. So yeah, again, but we're very close to the ETH though. How much higher we're gonna go? We're not too sure. We're not too sure. Right. We're still clearly above the skinny pink line. So buyers still bullish. Ton against USD. Here we have a Toncoin. Okay, Toncoin is still heading higher. We still have our $13.50 target. We're still expecting it to hit $13.50. It's slowly crawling its way up another 71%. So more upside is to be expected for Toncoin. The reason why we're pretty confident about it is because this was a high quality. Value 1, value 2, value 3, out. We didn't even retrace here to retest the support. We just zipped up. So yeah, bro. And after that, yeah, something like a cup and handle, very ugly one. And we just keep continuing higher. So yeah, bro. The whales are very impatient. So $13.50 is still the target for Toncoin. We're still expecting it to hit. But clearly above the skinny pink line. Skinny pink line is having a hard time trying to catch up to the price. So that's why you see it's starting to look like bananas. So more upside, yeah, for Toncoin. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have yet to check out the top 50 last week, go check it out. See you in the next one. Ta-da!